Research shows that the brain is in a constant stage of development from before birth to age 21. It also shows that substance abuse, including tobacco and marijuana, can disrupt this process, impacting a child's IQ, learning, memory, and behavior. Today, we get some advice on how parents can talk to their children about the risks of tobacco and drug use of any kind. Take a look.
We're concerned about drugs, whether it be e-cigarettes, cigarettes, marijuana, and its impact upon the developing brain of a young kid. The long-term implications are memory, ability to learn, IQ, as well as impacting other chronic illnesses like asthma. Those kids who start doing e-cigarettes or even cigarettes, it certainly becomes a distraction. They're not going to be focused. And again, it's that early brain. And most people think that once you're born, your brain's developing. No, your brain continues to develop. And even the slightest risk of having smoke from either e-cigarettes or from the marijuana or even the high chemicals that you find in the e-cigarettes can damage the brain. But when you put these young kids to allow them to smoke early, then they gotta hide it from their parents, hide it from the school, get in trouble with the school. Then they tend to get disciplined, they tend to get suspended, they tend to get behind, and then these aren't gonna be the kids that are gonna graduate. Again, I think the kids that are more at risk are the kids that are sitting in their neighborhoods, they're being exposed. We know the kids that are in homes where people smoke, whether it be cigarettes or marijuana, getting secondhand smoke, and maybe even third-hand contact. So we have to have laws that are gonna protect kids and limited their ability to be exposed or to even be able to buy drugs or use drugs. The first thing you gotta do is have honest communication with your kids. You gotta sit down and say to your kids, here are the things you're gonna be faced with. These are the consequences. Are you prepared to handle the consequences of your action at your age? I think parents need to understand that kids are going to go behind their back and try a cigarette. They may try marijuana. You got to have involved in activities that they enjoy. And that's part of that brain development, things that they enjoy. And those kids got to get like sports or dancing or swimming. But also the parents got to understand there's a lot of data saying you got to let kids fail and you can't reward them for failure. This thing about giving everybody a trophy may not be the best thing for kids. They need to understand the ups and downs and the benefit of hard work and not giving up and continue to work hard. Because those are life lessons that will be carried on.
Really interesting, important information. Well, for more information on how to keep your kids healthy, you can give Interact for Health a call at 888-310-4904 or check them out online at interactforhealth.org. Clyde.